Hi everyone! So today I would like to introduce you to descriptive statistic in JASP. But before that, I would like to introduce you to the statistic program that I will be using in this video, and that is JASP. So what does JASP stands for? JAP stands for Jeffrey's Amazing Statistic Program, and you could download it for free in their websites, and you could download it on your Windows or iOS as long as it is in your desktop. So one thing about JAPS is that it is very flexible, and you could also use the samples that they have provided in their data library. So let's just get started now. You could see me clicking on the left corner where I search for the data library, and I'll be using this data, and it is okay for you to use this data to learn how to use the program just like I am. So you could see it here. I am picking this one with 500 participants over a big 5 personality, and then I'll be clicking on this one. This is where things would be loaded or would be proceed. You can see it. The left side is where your samples at, and the right side is the result. So JAPS is a very special program. Just like I said earlier, you could see the result in real time, but there's also a moment or two where it needs to generate your tables or your pay charts. As we're going to use descriptive statistic, we will have to click on that. So we're going to click this statistic, descriptive statistic. Then we clicked on this values or samples or whatever you call on this big 5 personality. You could see it, neuron, openness, and etc. We'll be clicking on that, and you will see it on the right side where there is an instant result that you could see. So JAPS is a very fast responding, and it is very helpful as I said earlier. And you could see a lot of this. You could see the distribution, you could see the mean, and yeah, we could experience on some things here. So we'll try and see what we're going to have by using this data. While I was doing this, I would also like to tell you the definition of each. Maybe this is some of the main or simple concept that you need to know. The first thing is that there's this mean. So it means that it is the average of your values. So it provides a typical values for your data. Then we see this standard deviation, usually written in short with SD. So it quantifies the spread, and if there is a low SD, it means that the numbers are close to the average or the mean, like I said earlier. And if there is a higher SD, it means that they are spread out. Okay, the next one is the distribution plot. As you can see here, that is the shape of your data. It likes a mountain. I will give you a visual maybe on the next. And it's like you letting people see what people's score are, whether it's low or it's high or it's in the middle. And then the last one is the box plot. This is the graph that shows the middle of your data. And it identifies outliers, and those dots are unusual, far away from everyone else's. Okay, now we have done experiencing on the results of descriptive statistics. So let's save this to our device by clicking on the corner left, choose save as, and then we eventually go to our files in the device and then rename it before we finally save it officially and safely. And with that, I think it is enough to teach you how to use descriptive statistic for your next research or to summarize your long list of data. Thank you and see you.